Blink XT mounts by Wasserstein. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are aftermarket Blink XT mounts by a company called Wasserstein. They carry an assortment of smart home accessories and other products. They sent these out for me to review. I will give an overview of each type of mount and then go into the installation. I have also included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. If you are an existing Blink camera owner or thinking of buying them, one of the issues are the mounts that come with the cameras. It's not as durable and doesn't have the flexibility as some aftermarket designs. But other than that, the camera systems work very well as I've used it for a few years. Wasserstein makes a gutter mount, metal wall mount, gooseneck-like twist mount, and a suction cup mount as options. This is the gutter mount, a unique design that I haven't seen before. It's compatible with various camera systems out on the market, along with the Blink XT. It's very easy to install as it just slides onto the gutter and held down by tightening the screws. The gutter mount is a metal design and has the screws on the back that will hold it into place. It comes with a mounting adapter along with the screw adapter that is used on the back of the Blink XT cameras. Each of the mounting systems comes with this screw plate adapter, which just snaps into the back of the camera. It is very secure and stable once it's installed, and it's just a matter of screwing in the various mount onto the adapter. As mentioned, I will show the installation towards the end of the video. This is the metal wall mount. It comes with the mount, the screw adapter, and installation screws. Installation is not complicated at all. Just use the supplied screws and mount it into place. The mount is metal construction all around. Adjustment is made by loosening the middle section, which will allow you to move the ball mount adapter and position it to your liking. It has a standard mounting plate that I mentioned previously. To secure the camera into place, just attach the adapter and then screw it on the mount. It's very secure and stable once it's installed. The Gooseneck-Like twist mount. This is a pretty clever design as it's very flexible and can be mounted in numerous places. It's about 15 inches in length, and you can shape, flex, and wrap it around any structure you want to mount it on. This would be good on trees, fences, or just about any place you can secure it on. It comes with the adapter and it easily just screws on. The suction cup mount. This comes with the suction mount and the screw adapter. Installation is quick. Just mount it onto a window or a smooth, glossy surface and press the lever down to secure into place. It has a screw adjustment in the middle so you can loosen and tighten the ball mount and position it. The back has the rubber suction and you have the lever in the middle to release it. Just attach the adapter and then screw the mount in. The gutter installation was easy and quick. Slide the lip of the gutter in between the mount and secure it into place with the back screws. As you can see, the camera is held into place and it's very secure. The mount provides good stability. The wall mount install is a matter of using the screws and screwing them into place. For this demonstration, I've just used one screw. It mounts very well, and now you have the flexibility of choosing various angles. The twist mount is very clever. Again, just wrap it around and mount the camera. This gives you a lot of options for placement. And finally, the suction mount. Place it on the window and press down on the lever to secure it into place. It's held down firmly into place and it feels very secure. Blink XT mounts by Wasserstein. They offer many types and choices for Blink XT camera owners. You won't have to deal with the flimsy factory mounts. They are easy to install and come in a variety of packages for purchase. If you're looking to upgrade your Blink XT mounts, I would definitely check out the Wasserstein mounts. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.